Here we have a pit nutter, dog nutter, who is going to take a crap. The dog's going to take a crap, and then the dog nut is going to allow their dog to walk and sit on a picnic table. A picnic table where people usually eat off of, or people usually rest their head on. This is the mentality of dog nutters. They don't care. They just don't care. They don't care about their dog. And they're willing to let their dog defecate anywhere, and then have their dogs, after they've taken a crap, sit on a picnic table where people eat off of, where people may lay their head on. You cannot make this up. And whether or not this dog crapped or not, you still don't put a disgusting dog on a public picnic bench, public picnic table, where people will eat off of, where people will even rest their head on. And I thank whoever that I am like OCD on the germaphobe, because this only helps me keep away from dog nuts, dog lovers, and from many disgusting people. And a dog sitting on a picnic bench, picnic table, where people eat. You eat here. Look, the dog is shit. And put its disgusting ass on the picnic table. And this pit nut, dog nut acts as if everything is okay. Gore the dog butcher, another worthless mutt, and remember, it's okay to hate dogs.